Yo, what is going on, everyone in the XRP community? Hope you guys are having yourselves a fantastic day today. As usual, we are just a little bit red in the cryptocurrency space, but really nothing that bad at all. I mean, you got XRP down 1.67%, Bitcoin down less than 1%. I wouldn't even call this a retracement. This is really just consolidation, waiting for a move higher, in my opinion. I got some freaking interesting things to go over on the XRP weekly chart that I have not gone over before. And then I also want to show you guys a little bit of the short-term Bitcoin. So let's go ahead and get into it. First, let's just get Bitcoin out of the way. On the 4-hour, it's just Bitcoin is being an absolute monster. It's just being an absolute monster. It keeps breaking previous highs. It pulls back. It creates its own support. Goes back for the previous high, break again, goes even higher, pulls back, comes back down to support, is now respecting its support it created up here at 12,900, and I honestly think it's going to make a little more consolidation and then clearly a move back towards the 13K range and then blast off even further, maybe into 14K, and then who knows what happens at that point. But guys, Bitcoin is just absolutely just, its performance is insane. Like, I gotta be honest, its performance is insane, and we just know that XRP is the laggard in this situation, but it will pump the most at the end of the day. I mean, guys, we have the weekly candle close in 5.5 hours. I honestly might have to stream an hour before the weekly close because look at what Bitcoin just did. It broke above crazy historical 11,500, really strong resistance, and it just barreled through all of that and is about to close above and I think make its way towards about the 16K range. And my God, are altcoins going to go crazy when Bitcoin is flirting with all-time high levels. I am so excited. I cannot wait for this. Now, XRP on the other hand, a perspective I really haven't looked at yet until now. I like to look at the XRP weekly chart about several times a month and just kind of take a nice big look at the just all price action ever with XRP, right? Well, really right here, it's just the last like 3-4 years. But I always like to look at this and just see if there's anything else I can pick up on, right? That we might be, heading back to the insane price ranges. So take a look back here. This is when XRP, right here, this was the 61 banks in Japan. No, I think at first it was actually 47. Yeah, it was 47 banks in Japan first, and then later it became 61. But the SBI Ripple Asia Consortium, it was announced right here, and then that's what caused XRP. Crazy breakout, 6 cents, pull back to 3 cents, and then it made its all-time high of 40 cents. Whew. Absolutely insane. So, this is where XRP takes a pause in its bull cycle, and then it has this nice tight coiling consolidation, and then breaks all-time high, and then goes insane. But I just started to notice something, and it's kind of hard to see, but if you just follow along with me for a second here, you'll see what I mean. Okay, now just tell me in the comments below if I'm just crazy and I'm making things up. But look at what we have here, okay? Just look at what we have here. I'm trying to line this up as perfectly as possible. There we go. We'll call it that right there. Okay. Look at these two scenarios. Tell me if this makes sense, right? This formation right here, to me, is looking a lot like this scenario. They don't really look the same when you look at them at first, but if you just trace the movement, it's actually quite similar. So you have the perfect support bounce at 14 cents. And this is happening, pre-XRP $4 and, post after the bear market. This is, it's quite incredible how XRP respects its historical supports and resistances. So you have this 14-cent level, which is the initial, oh my God, came down super hard, fast, crash, dump, oh my God, it's all over, it's Armageddon, XRP's dead, never coming back again, right? But then, back here in 2017, found very solid ground to bounce at 14 cents. Did it again. March 23rd, 2020. This was, I think, the peak of the COVID crash for XRP, right? So note the initial crash, 14-cent bounce. Back here in 2017, after it bounces 14 cents. I know it does have a initial move to 20, pulls back sharply to 16, and kind of chops around a bit. But overall, it goes from 14 cents to the 23-cent high. And then what did it do here? 14 cents, right? To the, look at that, even the wick, the 23-cent high. Okay, then it pulls back down to 17 cents. And oh my God, look at this. Look at this. The pullback to 17 cents. It's identical. It is identical. Okay? So in 2017 and like the now, right? And keep in mind, this caused a major parabolic shift. It was, oh my God, getting goosebumps just thinking about this. But the 14-cent post-dump dead cat bounce, I don't know if you call it dead cat bounce, but the bounce at 14 cents, okay, to the 23-cent high, which it did. The pullback perfectly to 17 cents, where they both bounce. And oh my God, is it going to follow again? So after hitting 17 cents, it goes for the 27-cent high. After it bounces here, XRP actually goes for the 33-cent high, topping the 27-cent, which is what it did before. After it had its 27-cent high in 2017, it pulls back, creates this flat spot here, right? What did it do after the 32-cent high? Pulled back, creates this kind of flat spot here, consolidation. And then now we are just waiting for the rest of it to play out, guys. And back here, we have a bullish impulse, doji, kind of cool down, and then it took off. So, so far, I mean, like to the point with these supports, and then the runs up, and then the pullback, exactly 17 cents. And then it makes it's following along quite similar. Exact price actions, like to the point. Especially this 14 cents to the run up and then the pullback, 17 cents exactly. Major pull up, right? Dumps again, creates a flat area where it's consolidation. It's doing the same thing here. And then now with this angled trend line, once it touched it, it had the bullish confirmation like bounce, which is what may happen with the weekly candle here in the next 5 hours. I don't know. But it is freakishly similar in the way it's trending up. And my God, if this really is the time where I don't know how exactly this plays out, but, you know, is this really the time where we finally get out of these essentially really good accumulation zones for XRP? I don't know. You tell me in the comments below, because this is just freakishly similar. And I just noticed this today. So, oh my God, is XRP going to just copy what it did in 2017 and the way it had that uptrending consolidation, and then that's what it uses as like power to break through the historical resistance? My God, that would be nice, but who knows? I've been wrong a lot in the past before, but these do look quite similar. So, guys, thank you so much for tuning the video today. Really do appreciate it. Make sure, smash the like, subscribe. Check the links in the description if you're doing support the channel. And guys, I'll see you in the next one.